Now let's go through few terms which we used in the development of an application. So first one we have server. A server is a computer or system that provides resources, data, services or programs to other computers, known as clients over a network. In our case, Unisplash has computers at certain location where they store all the images. Next term we have this API. It stands for Application Programming Interface. An API is a set of rules and protocols for building and interacting with software applications. It allows different software systems to communicate with each other. For example, Unisplash provides a set of rules known as Unisplash API to interact with their server. If we want to retrieve a particular image, we need to send a specific query to their server. Next, we have client. A client is a device or application that accesses services and resources provided by a server. In this case, our Android app 𝒗𝒊𝒅𝒆𝒄𝒌𝒐𝒐 acts as the client, requesting data from the server and displaying it to the user. Now let's talk about the role of retrofit library in all of this. Before that, let's quickly recap the role of an API. An API provides a set of rules that allows our app to communicate with a server, request data and receives response. Now the retrofit library simplifies this process. Retrofit is a type-safe HTTP client for Android that makes it easy to interact with APIs. It helps our app to send network requests to a server, handle responses, and parse the data into usable objects. Retrofit takes care of the networking task so we can focus on what to do with the data. Now to get more clarity on all of this, take a look of a common analogy of a restaurant. Think of a server as the kitchen in a restaurant. The kitchen prepares and stores all the food that customers order. An API is like the restaurant menu. The menu lists all the dishes available along with instructions on how to order them. And the client is like a customer in a restaurant. The customer looks at the menu, places an order, then receives the food prepared by the kitchen. And here, retrofit is like the waiter in a restaurant. The waiter takes your order from the menu, brings it to the kitchen, and then delivers the prepared dish back to you. The waiter ensures that your order is correctly placed and the right food is delivered, making the whole process smooth and efficient.